Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, how do you offer a draw in chess.com? It's actually quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account. Once you are in, you want to click on new game. I'm going to show you so that you could actually play against a person. And let's click on start game so that we can have an opponent. All right, so we are now here. If I do this and start playing against somebody, right? As you can see here, there is an option here on the somewhat lower right hand side that says draw. It has an icon that says 1/2, right? So if I click on this, I click on yes to offer a draw or claim a draw like so. And if the person accepts that it's going to be a draw, if not, then it won't be a draw. They're probably, for the most part, they're going to just resign or just quit the game, and then you'll be left alone. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.